If you're a POPPO Live streamer or a fan who loves sending gifts, you know how expensive those coins can get. What if I told you there is an officially authorized way to recharge your coins? That's not only cheaper but also faster. I was contacted by a company called LivesBuy, who claims to be the worldwide leader for POPPO Live Recharge with cheapest prices. I checked it out, and guys, it's a complete game changer. Let me show you why. First, let's talk about why this is a big deal. LivesBuy isn't some random site. They are officially authorized by POPPO Live. That means it's 100% safe and secure for your account. Their two biggest promises are the cheapest prices in the world. We'll check that in a second. Instant automatic delivery. You just enter your POPPO ID and the coins are added directly to your account in seconds. No codes, no waiting, no hassle. Now, let me show you how you buy. First of all, click the link in the description section and you will land on this page. Alright, so when you land on this page, what you do is, first of all, you sign up. So you have to click here where trade, sign up to get coupons, and you will land on this page. So here, there are two options. There is sign in and sign up. Go by sign up since it's your first time of visiting this site. So on top, you need to punch in your email address, and then you punch in the verification code. So after you punch in the email address, click send so that a code will be sent to your email inbox. Once it's sent, enter it there, then punch in your name and then create the password, which you need to repeat. Thereafter, you scroll down, then make sure that you check in this box here and then click register. So that's how we'll roll. So let's do that. Let me do that when you're not looking. And after you punch in the credentials, this will load up. So as you can see, all the banners are from POPPO Live. Okay, so now what you need to do is let's check on the the packages which are available here. So here they're saying if you want to buy 100,000 coins, you only need to spend $11.08. If you want 178,000 coins, all you need is $19.39. Okay, then if you want 297,000 coins, all you need is $32.62. So now, how do you go about the process of purchasing coins from here? All you need is to take your pick. You choose the package that you want to go buy. So let's check on those which are at the bottom. So we have 200,000, we have $22. Okay. All right, so we go by $11, right? $11. We go by the first package, so we click buy. So here, all you need to do here is to go to your POPPO Live account. You log on to the POPPO Live app. Then you get your ID. And after you get your ID, you simply punch it here. And then punch in the phone number, the one that you registered with POPPO Live. And then you indicate here how many packages do you want to, so that you spend $22.16, or it's just one package. Yeah, then you hit confirm, and then here you need to make sure that you check in. Here you say you check in this box indicating that you've read and agreed to the privacy policy, and then you hit pay, and the coins will actually be sent right away in no time. Now, I know you might be thinking, is this too good to be true? But LivesBuy has a ton of positive reviews, and they're trusted by users worldwide. They also do the same thing for BIGO Live, Diamonds, if you're not into that. So if you're looking to save money and get your coins instantly without any stress, this is the only place you need to go. Ready to stop overpaying? Click the link down in the video description to go direct to LivesBuy and get your cheap POPPO Live coins now. It's the official, easiest and cheapest way to recharge. Let me know in the comments what you're going to buy with all the money you save. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.